my lovely YouTubers and subscribers. Hope you guys all fine. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I share the different idea about kitchen companion plants. Introducing plants into your kitchen can not only enhance the aesthetic appeal of the space but also provide you with fresh herbs, improve air quality, and create a smoothing atmosphere. Here are some plants ideas for your kitchen. Herb garden, growing herbs on your kitchen windowsill or countertop is a practical and a visually pleasing choice. Common kitchen herbs include basils, thyme, parsley, mint, and oregano. Aloe vera is a useful kitchen plant due to its gel that can be applied to soothe burns and minor skin irritation. It perfect brights in direct light. Spider plants are easy to care for. They help improve air quality. They thrive in indirect light and can handle occasional dry out. Please don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon for the latest update. If you have a sufficient space, consider growing a dwarf lemon tree in your kitchen. It provides fresh lemon and delightful curtains fragrance. Basil is a proper kitchen herb. It requires regular burning to encourage growth and prefer ample sunlight. Rosemary is a fragrant herb that can thrive in a sunny spot in your kitchen. It's drag tolerant and add flavor to your dishes. Mint is a rapidly growth herb, so it is best for to plant into the container to prevent it from taking over. It's like properly. Chili pepper plants are fun addition to the kitchen for adding spice to your dishes. They need lots of sunlight to thrive. When choosing plants for your kitchen, consider the available light, space, and your ability to care for them. Ensure that pots and containers have proper drainage. Thanks for watching.